lately has been suffering with no gigs. And I want you to know that I'm feeling everybody, including my